So guys, we are playing. Wait, just gonna. Yeah. We are playing Battle Against a Giant Boss, something like that. I don't remember, but yeah. No, I'm gonna go. Yeah. Oh. I've seen loads of people playing this game, so yeah. And it's here. It looks so kinda. This is just hard. Just kill it. No. Oh no. Oh, it's flown out of the map, guys. Ah. Oh, God. No. He's right there. Oh, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Oh no. Oh, God.
You gotta save.
I might if I die on it. No, I don't know if you're going to lobby because I feel I've only played this game like. Okay.
Same over here.
I'm going down so slow. Now this is hard. Okay. Are we in space? Yeah, we are. That's why we're jumping so hard. Alright. Hard. That's why we're jumping so hard. Wait. And legend. 24 damage. Wap. Well, I guess it's okay. This is gonna take a while, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause it right here. And so guys, it took about 3 minutes. And it's just 35 seconds. So guys, that took a while. Tick tock. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for it. I can't accept you, sorry. I only accept people who are actually like nice to me, like if they're like a role player and they're nice and stuff to me. You're nice, then I will, but you just want to be my friend. So yeah. I just want people to, I want to get into friendly person and then I'll be popular. Oh, I am a YouTuber. Jesus, guy, don't stamp your foot. Don't stamp your foot. Don't have to stamp your foot. Why is it going so slow? I gotta shoot him till he's dead. Until he's in heaven. I'm sorry for this giant, but you've got to die. You've got to die. You've gotta die right here. You've gotta die right here. Don't think he's hardly doing anything to anyone. He's like, what do I do? See, I haven't really got hit except now. Come on, hit him. Gonna die. You walk straight, and then you're gonna get hit with these dudes. Kind of. Yay! I won. Yes, I won. We won, finally. I didn't really do any damage to that because I couldn't. So yeah, guys, TikTok. Oh no. Glitching. There's a robot guy like me. Do you know my name, guys? Robot Moneymaker. That's what I'm calling it. So guys, game starting. So guys, let's get in here. You are the fighter. Defeat the boss till he dies. Until he's dead in the sky. Is he already dead? Oh, boy, no. No! No! I lost! I might have to pause the video again. So come on, we have to wait. So please. I'm just gonna, like, maybe when it's like 10 minutes. Guys, we're done! So guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but our team won! No. This can be a moment of silence. This is tiring. Game started! Yay! I can defeat this boss easily. Maybe. I need to run. He's shooting me to death. I'm dead. No! So guys, I think we might just end it here. I know it's a pretty boring video. But maybe in the next video, we might do Restaurant Tycoon. So yeah. So guys, bye. I forgot. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification.